Dobro Bojalovitz. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Almaty, and I'm surrounded by all this military equipment at this very Soviet location in the old part of Almaty. Let's take a look. This is the park of 28 Panfilov Guardsmen, and this commemorates the soldiers that fought during the Civil War in 1917 to 1920 and those that fell during World War II, or as known in the Soviet Union, the Great Patriotic War from 1941 to 1945. The park is named after the 28 Panfilov Guards who are depicted here in this sculpture, who bravely fought off the Nazis as they were approaching Moscow during World War II. Well, just behind the Memorial of Glory, you'll find one of the most iconic buildings here in Almaty. It's the Russian Orthodox Ascension Cathedral. Built in around 1904, it's a wooden structure and supposedly one of the tallest wooden structures in the world. Well, this is not what I expected to see directly behind the church. Oh, this place is crazy. I wasn't expecting to see such a contrast. We've got this incredible historic building behind us, and there's kids feeding pigeons, being ridden round on remote control cars by their parents. Quite a contrast. So last time I was here, I was telling you about all the many parks in Almaty. Well, this is one of them, but with a bit of colour this time. No snow on the ground. I thought I recognised this building. About 20 years ago, Ewan McGregor and Charlie Borman travelled across the world on their motorbikes in the TV programme Long Way Round, and they stopped in Kazakhstan. And on their way through Kazakhstan, they came to Almaty, and I think the only thing they showed was them having a brutal massage at this very spa. And I don't think it's changed at all. It looks exactly like it did in the TV show from what I remember. Right, here I am in the Green Market in the old part of Almaty. They sell pretty much everything you could want here. And this fantastic old Soviet building. Well, it's Sunday morning and I've taken a walk out to the Almaty Central Mosque. It's built in 1999 and is one of the largest mosques in Kazakhstan. So just like I did in winter, I decided to head back out tonight to show you what it looks like at night. This place is crazy. It's nearly 10 o'clock at night and there's still families, young children, out in the park. It's a nice evening, but just imagine that in London. Good morning from myself and Shrek here in Almaty's Central Park. The Central Park here in Almaty, on the east of the city, is popular among cyclists and runners for their early morning exercise. But also, as you can see behind me, there's a roller coaster. This doubles as a theme park.